Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you my new ASS application called MeetVerse AI. MeetVerse AI is a next generation AI powered video conference platform that intelligent meeting to copilot real-time transmission and smart action item and the vibrant modern UI built with the Next.js and advanced AI tools. First up now, I am going to explore uh, uh, Metaverse AI and quickly review the all key feature, and also I will share all AI tools during development. So let's start from the landing page and move the. Okay, this is the MeetVerse AI landing page, and this is the modern UI, and this is the feature section, and this is the use case sections, and the product sales, product teams, sales, customer success, and engineering teams, and how it's work section, and this is the interactive testimonial section. This is the price section. Uh, and this is the call to action CTA section, and this is the footer. Every part is modern design, and I also added the chat box. Okay, this is everything is look modern. Now go to login page. This is the login page, and uh, this is the registration page. Okay, now I'm back to login page and try to log in admin area and see the admin. Okay, I put the login login credential and click the sign in button. This is the MeetVerse AI dashboard. This is the interactive dashboard, and show the all information in widget. uh, Recent meeting, upcoming meeting, quickly actions, and the intelligent automations, uh, and all the status here, uh, status counter here. Now let's go to visit the meeting page. This is the meeting page, and show the all the meeting, upcoming meeting, and all meeting show here. Okay, now let's join the uh, a meeting page. This is the loading. This is the meeting page, and just access my camera. Okay, access. Okay, this camera is open. This is the meeting page, and just I put my name and join the meeting. And this is the meeting room interface, and all the tools is working, mutes, video on off, and everything's, and set auctions, and the peoples and transcript and everything is smoothly working. Okay, and this is the meeting rooms. This is modern UI, and let's back to dashboard. Just click the leave button. Back to dashboard. Now go to the schedule page. Now go to the new meeting. New meeting page. This is the new meeting page. This is easy to set the meeting here. New Set the new meeting, and go to the schedule page. We can add the new meeting and schedule. Okay, join the new meeting. We can click the meet code or invitation link just here for joining the meeting. Okay, so this is the interactive design, and this is the profile page, and show all the information here. The profile information here, and this is the setting. We can set the light mode and system, and show the system all information which is need for based on the product requirement. Okay, so that's it, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, leave me a comment. I will reply as soon as I can. If you find this helpful, please like this video and share it, and subscribe for me for more AI related video. See you next video. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.